On December 27, 2024, a telescope in Hawaii picked up something unusual. A small, fast-moving object, roughly the size of a 20-story building, cutting through the darkness of space. Nobody panicked. At first, within days, scientists had run the numbers, and for a brief, unsettling moment, asteroid 2024 YR4 became the most dangerous space rock ever discovered, carrying a real non-zero chance of hitting Earth on December 22, 2032. Then came a small sigh of relief. It would miss Earth. But the story wasn't over, because now it was heading for something else entirely. The NASA-funded Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, known as ATLAS, first spotted 2024 YR4 on December 27, 2024. ATLAS is designed for exactly this, scanning the sky night after night, hunting for objects that cross paths with Earth's orbit. At roughly 197 feet across, about 60 meters, 2024 YR4 is no extinction-level threat. But it doesn't need to be. An asteroid of that size carries enough energy to flatten an entire city, or if it strikes an ocean, generate a catastrophic tsunami threatening multiple coastlines simultaneously. For months after Earth was ruled out, a 4.3% probability remained that on December 22, 2032, asteroid 2024 YR4 would instead slam into the Moon. Had that happened, the impact would have released energy equivalent to 6 million tons of TNT, comparable to a large nuclear detonation. It would have carved a crater nearly a kilometer wide into the lunar surface. Normally, scientists would have had to wait until 2028, when 2024 YR4 swung close enough to Earth again, to gather the precise observations needed to settle the question. But researchers at Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Laboratory spotted an opportunity. Between February 18th and 26th of this year, the asteroid would pass in front of a region of sky where star positions had been mapped with extraordinary precision by the European Space Agency's Gaia mission. By tracking 2024 YR4's movement against those known stars, the James Webb Space Telescope could pin down its orbit to a degree of accuracy that would have otherwise been impossible. The answer came back clear. Asteroid 2024 YR4 will not hit the Moon. Instead, it will pass approximately 13,200 miles above the lunar surface. A close encounter in cosmic terms, but posing absolutely no danger. It's a significant result, and a reminder of just how powerful our observational tools have become. A decade ago, refining an asteroid's orbit to this level of precision, this far in advance, would have been extraordinarily difficult. Today, the James Webb Space Telescope can do it in a week. 2024 YR4 will pass by in 2032, a silent visitor that came close enough to demand our full attention and gave us one of the most rigorous asteroid tracking exercises in history. And while this particular story ends safely, it won't be the last one. Right now, astronomers are monitoring over 2,300 potentially hazardous asteroids. Most will never threaten us, but the universe, as we've learned, is full of surprises, and the only way to stay ahead of them is to keep watching. This time, the Moon was safe, but our vigilance and our telescopes need to stay pointed at the sky.